Hey, my name is Alexa from RVA. Today we're building a T12LED and I'll show you guys how to put all the builds together and how to stand it and all that stuff. So,
first things first, take out this stuff. First thing you guys do is basically just take out this little plate. Basically there's four wing nugs that you guys just take out, pop everything right out, comes out. Your iPad, it should fit. For me, easiest it would be having zip ties around and inserting them first through the little bars right here.
ties in because
next, insert the USB, the L-shaped USB. It's much easier because since you guys, after screwing this on, it's gonna be really hard to get that on there. Same thing goes for the charger for the iPad. Stick that on there. And then just re-screw on the wing nuts. Basically, after you screw it on, everything else just kind of falls in place. Next, I'll insert the ring light. There's four wing nuts for ring lights. You guys take that off. This comes right out. Don't lose your wing nuts because they're hard to find. Next, let me just take these off. This over the top. This part needs to, you know, okay, redo. The opening of this part needs to connect to this part. And then you screw these back on. And there you go. Just slip this back on and put the wing nuts on. So now that after you guys get the ring light in, the PC in, I'll install the camera. We use the Canon EOS Rebel T6 camera. It comes in a box, but since I already had one out, just connect the two, and you should just have it like this. Usually I'll connect the hot shoe first, and this comes in the box with the ring light on top. Slip it in. Next, I'll show you guys how to install this. Next would be the camera battery. Basically this, you insert this and it'll just keep charging as long as you have it plugged in and everything. Do it. And then when you guys get your camera, you guys also get a USB connector. This basically connects the camera to the PC, so when you take pictures, it'll show up on your PC live view. So all that would be here. There's already going to be a screw, so you just take it off and then turn this. Place the camera on here, make sure it matches up, and then screw this in. And there you go, camera. Next, I'm just gonna show you guys how to connect just everything, cleaning up everything, but everything is already basically installed. This is the ring light battery. I usually put it on top, make everything neater, being an OCD person. This part also came with the ring light. It basically connects the flash from your camera to the ring light sync cord. First part goes in here. Second part, connect it right to the sync hole on the ring light. Then the battery, connect the battery. Well, you need 2 more zip ties. On the side, there will be a place where you can put an extension. So there's that. Tie this down. You tie it down, all that stuff, tie it down. So, there you go. Next, insert this. Basically, like I said, like this is part of the ring light battery. There's a hole on the side. Just connect. Should be on the bottom. Here. Doesn't get in the way. There's that. I connect them as I go, so it's much more cleaner. Well, I don't like I said, it's just more cleaner, easier for me to get everything organized. So I connect as I go. And then you guys can have the option of zip tying this stuff down, like right on it and stuff like that. But so yeah, there's that. be moved out of the way. So afterwards, this is the easier part. When you guys get your booth, it will already comes with a controller and the battery pack for the LED strips. Just connect the two. So basically it comes with the battery pack and it already comes with a controller. All you gotta do is just connect these two and this part. And there you go. This is the LED part. And then usually I'll put this on the bottom right there. But let's get the cat. Let's get this in there. So it's more neat. So since you guys got that strapped down here, and then this comes here. Now after you guys get everything strapped down, this is another part we use called an ankler. It's another device as a USB port, as an eccentric USB port, so you guys have more options of installing things on the USB and stuff, so it's easily, yeah, just connect. And for this port, if you guys have double-sided tape, you just tape it right on the side, like at the bottom, on the top, anywhere you guys prefer. Anything's easier for you guys to use. And just insert the USB here. And there you go.